Hi, Namaste. GLOLED is making a COB lights. GLOLED has a different COB lights and we have a variety of COB lights. We all know that the COB lights are used for the focus the object on particular level. Suppose if you want to highlight the any object or any product, so you need to use the COB light. COB light nowadays, every villa is using the COB light, and also every garment shops, every wherever we need a more focus, there we are using the COB lights. In COB lights, especially for the decorative purpose, we are facing so many problems like for verifying these small COB lights. Suppose you see this is a big one, we have a driver. And even for small COB lights also nowadays they are using drivers. The GLOLED brought a small COB light without driver. Now you can see this is a COB light. This is a COB light with a yellow or you can say gold color. This is a COB light is with a copper color. This is the COB light with white color. This is the COB light with gunpowder color. This has four different models in one item, and we have another COB light. It is also 3 watt. It's a white one, and it is looks different. And this is a copper one. It looks different. And this is a other black model. It looks different. And we have a other small model. This is called 6 watt. So you can see this is also looks better. Black and copper here, black, white and black. And suppose if you are going for somewhat bigger size, this is a deep COB resist model. It is 6 watt. This is also 6 watt. These COB lights has 3-in-1. These COB lights has 3-in-1: cool white, warm white, natural white. These COB lights are more attractive for the decorative purpose. These COB lights, if you compare the applications, so these are used for the cupboards, you can say in kitchen area, division area. So those things, it is very, very useful, especially for decorative. Suppose you have a dining hall. In dining hall, you can keep the 4 items at one place. So it looks very better. These COB lights are very attractive for the decorative. So coming to the why we need to use the glow LED COB light. Glow LED COB lights are more attractive for the customers, are more attractive for the decorative purpose, and we use the high lumen COBs. Generally, market lumen part is very less. We use the high lumen COB, and everyone has more heat sink. So because of 3 reasons, the glow LED COB, small COBs are very attractive. Price wise and other things also very best one. So coming to these COB lights, the price is very attractive. So is especially useful for the architect and interiors. Glow LED, these lights are making in thousands. Glow LED has a now stock of 4,000 numbers. So come to the Glow LED to get the best solutions for your projects, best solutions for your home, best solutions for your commercial space, best solutions for home theater, best solutions for restaurants, best solution for hotel. So come to the Glow LED for better lighting solutions. Thank you very much.